Here's a problem that rarely happens, but thought we'd just let you be aware. Okay, so coming out of your filter, filter wall is this the hex fitting, and then the cable seal. So you can actually see over here that it's supposed to thread in and out. Sometimes it happens, actually once or twice a year, someone finds that they cannot get this piece out of here, and they can't change this because the seals in there go bad, and they need to be replaced or they'll leak. And so actually we had a customer that said it doesn't fit our spa, when actually it's just this piece. Now, if you can't get it, if you're one of the very few people that can't get these two pieces to separate, we have good news, because we do have replacements. And in fact, several years ago we bought all the ones we could find, and we're almost out of that stock, but now we can actually 3D print these, so we'll have a good supply of them. So right now, just waiting for more O-rings, but this system does fit any Hot Spring Ace equipped model. So if you're having issues, probably the best thing is to just call or text us on the number in our literature, and most problems can be resolved within usually 5 or 6 minutes.